Imagine this. You're mid-battle in Black Myth Wukong when your screen stutters. Or you're rendering a video in Adobe Premiere Pro and the progress bar crawls like a snail. Sound familiar? That's where we come in. At Do-It-Yourself Solid State Drive, we're all about SSDs and unlocking performance for gamers, creators, and anyone tired of waiting on spinning wheels. Here's how we turn frustration into action. Step 1. Find the right product. Our catalog cuts through the clutter. Filter SSDs by brand, form, interface, or compatibility for your PC, laptop, PS5, even your phone. No jargon, just clear specs tailored to your rig. Step 2. Shop smarter, not harder. Comparing prices from Amazon, B&H, Best Buy, Newegg, and more means you'll never overpay. The data is all here. Let's rebuild your machine as the responsive powerhouse it was meant to be. Ready to leave load times in the dust? Good, let's dive in.
Let's talk about the catalog. The catalog page is designed to enhance your shopping experience with its intuitive layout and comprehensive product information. We tested many different designs and decided on the sleek gallery-style layout with product cards displayed in a scrollable window, each presenting detailed information in a standardized format. At the top of the page, you'll find filter buttons for the brand, the form factor, the interface, and compatible products, along with a search icon in the top right corner for direct product searches. These filters can be used individually or combined for precise results. Each product card offers a wealth of information at a glance, featuring a high-quality image that showcases the device's appearance and design. The product name is prominently displayed, which is accompanied by a concise technical brief highlighting details such as form factor and interface. Performance metrics are clearly stated in megabytes per second, giving you a clear indication of the device's speed capabilities. The card also lists available storage capacities, enabling you to choose the option that best suits your needs. For those seeking more in-depth information, a conveniently placed link provides access to complete technical specifications. And last, the cards are organized by product name. Oh, I just remembered. The storage capacity is pulled from the pricing data and only shows what is currently available from our affiliates. To demonstrate the practical advantages of using the catalog page, let's assume I want to upgrade my new PlayStation 5 with 4 terabytes of storage. The WD Black has been recommended as a good brand to consider. I navigated to the catalog by clicking the catalog menu option located at the top of the page. Now that I am here, I clicked compatible products and selected PS5. To tidy up, I clicked it again. You may have noticed the catalog updates immediately, displaying only products identified as PS5 compatible. One way to find what I'm looking for is to scroll through the product listing until I see Western Digital. Wait, I already know the brand. A faster choice is to click the brand button and type WD to search and then select WD Black. Okay, it doesn't happen very often, but what if I change my mind? No worries, my selection can be removed by clicking clear. Just as before, I click brand again to tidy up. The keen eye will notice the catalogue now only shows the products for the brand I selected. Bloody hell, what are those Xbox products doing there? It turns out that Western Digital has an external device called the WD Black D30 and it comes in 3 flavours. Although identical, 2 are branded for the Xbox, no biggie. I can fix this by setting the form factor to 2280 and the interface to Gen 4. I know, you might say, isn't this a little over the top? As the PS5 requires a Gen 4 compatible SSD, do I really have to specify it? Let's perform an experiment to answer this question by removing my selection. What is going on? I just noticed the compatible product option is missing. As it turns out, if the available page width is insufficient to display all available filter options, the number of options will be reduced. The removed items are added to a new option titled More. Okay, back to the experiment. I clicked the interface option and then clicked Clear to test the hypothesis. Perfect. The catalogue remained unchanged, which is correct. The last thing I would like to share is the product details pop-up. To begin, I will clear my selections by clicking Reset. I want to see the Legend 960 Max details, so I clicked the card. Oh, that's interesting. It looks like it's PS5 compatible. To tidy up, I click the X located in the upper right corner. I also have an interest in the ad link A95. I scrolled the web page down to display the card. What's wrong with me? I need to view the AData product details again. Flipping heck, where did the information go? Okay, it's all good. To see it again, I need to scroll the web page up. The reason for this is the details are placed at the top of the catalogue window. Just a quick tip, if this ever happens to you, before you scarper off, I need to talk about the text sheet, which can be viewed by clicking the link at the bottom of the card. It's an essential resource for anyone seeking additional product information. This page is organised as a reference, which includes important facts about the product in one convenient place. To give a clear visual, the top of the page features a high-quality image, or in some circumstances, a video. As well, there is a concise 1 or 2 paragraph overview which highlights its purpose and value. You'll also find a curated list of key features, a breakdown of technical specifications, and an objective analysis of the product's pros and cons.
Let's talk pricing. The pricing page is crafted to help you make well-informed buying choices. It mirrors the catalog's design, featuring a stylish, gallery-like layout with product cards arranged in a scrollable view. At the top, there are drop-down filter options for brand, form factor, interface, capacity, and compatible products, along with a search icon located in the top right corner for quick product searches. These filters can be applied separately or together to refine your results with accuracy. Each card delivers a clear and comprehensive overview of product information in an easily digestible format, with the product description prominently highlighted in large text. This description captures critical details, including the brand, product name, model, and capacity. For SSD products that are packaged with a heat sink, this feature is explicitly mentioned. Accompanying the description is a concise technical brief that outlines essential specifications, such as the form factor and interface. Below this, the affiliate's name is displayed above a link directing users to their pricing page for purchase. To enhance convenience, the most recently verified price is shown, along with any applicable discounts, ensuring transparency and ease of decision-making. One other important detail: the cards are automatically sorted on their descriptions. Let's follow through on the catalog presentation. To quickly refresh your memory, it was decided the Western Digital WD Black SN850p game drive was the best choice, and the desired capacity is 4 terabytes. The question becomes, how do we find the best value from a trusted affiliate? I navigated to the pricing page by selecting the pricing option from the top menu. Now that I am here, let's narrow the price list specifically for PS5 compatibility by clicking the compatibility filter and specifying PS5 as the platform. I click the filter again to close the options. Did you notice how the price list refreshed, presenting only PS5 compatible options? Nope. Me neither. The list is way too long. I can fix this. To be more strategic, I will focus on the preferred brand. This is accomplished by clicking the brand filter, typing WD, and selecting WD Black. Did you notice how the price list became more manageable? Yes, it's better, but let's sharpen our focus even more by specifying the right form factor. This is accomplished by clicking the form factor filter and then selecting 2280. That's pretty good, but what I have now is a list of all available capacities. Since I am really only interested in 4 terabytes, I clicked capacity and selected 4 TB. Okay, this is what I am talking about. It looks like 5 affiliates have this product in stock, and the lowest price is shared by 3 of them. It can also be purchased at a premium directly from the Sony PlayStation Store. And the greatest discount can be found at Best Buy. Okay, that can't be right. How can Best Buy have the best discount when it has the second highest price? When evaluating discounts, they are typically based on what's known as the strike-through price. You can find this price on the affiliate page with a line drawn through it, hence the term strike-through. The discount percentage you see is calculated using this price and reflects the affiliate's pricing strategy. When evaluating SSD prices, it's important to look beyond the largest advertised discount, as it doesn't always reflect the best deal. This is because there's no universal standard for how strike-through prices are set, meaning they can vary widely and may not accurately represent true savings. Additionally, some affiliates might not display a strike-through price at all, even if the current price is genuinely lower. Oh wow, did you notice that Amazon and Newegg have the same price but their discounts are different? This is a perfect example of how crazy discounts can be. Understanding these nuances will help you make more informed purchasing decisions. Before moving on, let's consider some other ways of using the tool. If I want to consider other brands, I can remove my brand selection by clicking the brand filter and then clear. The price list updates with products which meet the other criteria. Maybe, just maybe, my budget can afford a little more. To see, I will return to the capacity filter and add 8 TB to the list. There you go. I can now shop 4 TB and 8 TB choices. The other method is to search for the product you are interested in. To show how this works, I will clear all of my preferences by clicking the Reset option. Then click the search icon to expose a search entry box. When I type 850p, the price list instantly updates with 18 results. Okay, this is too many choices. To further refine the results, I go back to the capacity filter and choose 4 TB. Go figure, just like before. 5 results. How dope is that? Wow, it just came to me. Did you notice the price list actually updated after every character I typed? To wrap up, I would like to point out the pricing cards, just like the catalog cards, pop up additional information when clicked. The thing I most appreciate is the image of the product.